fault. Hit and run damage to your parked car, vandalism and parking damage. Personal theft in full in episode 3. Windscreen replacement average cost 200 to 600 euros depending on your vehicle. Always used and approved. Hey everyone, welcome back to WeConnect Germany. New here? Like this video right now, subscribe and hit the bell button. Quick links in the below description. Episode 1, health, liability and glass. Episode 2, dental insurance. Episode 3, Hausrat and theft. And our Vollkasko video is an essential watching. Sunita parked her car perfectly outside her Munich apartment on a Sunday morning. She came back 1 hour later and saw that the rear bumper completely destroyed. No note, no witness, hit and run. So the total repair cost 2,100 euros. Sunita had Haftpflicht only. Haftpflicht covers damages you cause to others. It does not cover damage caused to your car. She paid 2,100 euros out of her own pocket. For just 28 euros more per month, Vollkasko would have covered everything. I'm Visakha, I'm a certified financial advisor and you can always check my credentials. And when the clients come to WeConnect Germany, they are backed by a large team of expats. That matters the most when an accident happens, when insurers ask for documents and when you need quick support instead of confusion. So, episode 4, car insurance, every level, every detail. First, car insurance is mandatory by law in Germany. If you own or drive any vehicle, you must have a car insurance. You cannot register a vehicle without it. Driving uninsured, fines up to 5,000 euros and possible criminal charges. No waiting period and it's active immediately. There are 3 levels of car insurance in Germany. Level 1, Haftpflicht, the minimum legal requirement, covers damages you cause to other people, vehicles and property. It does not cover your own vehicle under any circumstances. Starting from 150 to 1,000 euros per year approximately, depending on the car model, how old is the car, etc. This would suffice for old, lower value vehicles. Level 2, Teilkasko, that is partial cover. Everything in Haftpflicht plus theft of your vehicle, fire and explosion, storm, hail and natural disaster damages like broken glass, windscreen, windows, sunroof are also covered here. Animal collisions, hitting a deer or a wild boar. It does not cover accidents you cause to your own car. Recommended for vehicles worth 5,000 to 15,000 euros. Level 3, Vollkasko, full cover. Everything in Haftpflicht and Teilkasko plus accidents caused by you, even your own fault. Hit and run damage to your parked car, vandalism and parking damage. This is usually recommended for new or high value vehicles, typically 200 to 600 euros more per year than Haftpflicht. So car theft coverage, let's cover it in detail. Under Teilkasko and Vollkasko, theft covers. Theft of the entire vehicle is covered. Theft of built-in parts like navigation, audio systems, covered. Joyriding damage. If your car is stolen, used and returned damaged. What it does not cover: personal belongings left in the car, your laptop, bag or jacket. These needs Hausrat coverage with a car theft clause. We have covered personal theft in full in episode 3 and the link is in the below description. Important rule for theft claims. You must have both sets of car keys and produce them when making a claim. If you cannot provide both keys, the insurer may dispute the entire claim. Keep your spare key somewhere safe and never in the car itself. Car glass insurance. A broken windscreen is one of the most common car insurance claims in Germany. Most Teilkasko and Vollkasko policies include glass breakage. It covers windscreen cracks and chips from road debris, side windows and rear window, sunroof glass and labor cost for replacement. Windscreen replacement average cost 200 to 600 euros depending on your vehicle. Always use an approved glass repair partner recommended by your insurer. Otherwise, you may be liable for the part of the cost. What affects your car insurance premium? Coverage level chosen, your Schadenfreiheits Klasse, your no claim bonus, your postcode, urban area costs significantly more. Driver's age, under 25, drivers pay much higher premiums. Car type and annual mileage, and whether you park in locked garage or on the street. Here comes We Connect Germany's tip. Your accident-free driving history from abroad may be transferred to Germany. Our team handles this foreign no-claim transfer for you, potentially saving you hundreds of euros per year. When accidents happen, our team is with you. And this is where our support really makes the difference. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can verify my credentials. But what helps the clients most in real life is that We Connect Germany has a strong team of experts supporting them all the time. That means faster responses, more hands on your case, and less stress for you. We give you exact guidance on what photos to take at the scene. We help you complete the European accident report Europäischer Unfallbericht correctly. We coordinate with the provider and recommend certified repair garages so you pay nothing upfront. We can also help arrange rental cars when your car is off the road. And if the other insurer disputes liability, we escalate to the Versicherungsombudsmann. Back to Sunita. After the 2,100 euros hit and run, she came to us. We enrolled her in a Vollkasko for just 28 euros more per month. 3 months later, a minor car park scratch. We filed the entire claim, car repaired, Sunita paid only 150 euros excess. She never had to speak to the insurer in German, not once. We were there to help. Watch our Schufa score video to understand how your credit score affects car financing. Link is in the below description. In episode 5, we will cover legal insurance and the one that surprises almost every expat. 5 completely different types. One fights your landlord, one fights your employer, one fights the government. And also, I'll share the story of a man who won 14,000 euros in severance because he had the right legal insurance module. Like this video, subscribe and share it. For free consultation, check the below link in the description. I am Visakha. Tschüss.